There is. There's a musky on there. Holy shit. Real.
Oh, that's what we came here for.
Let's go, baby.
Going. Woo! Woo! That's how we do it. What's up, Fishing with Damon fans? Today we have an interesting video for you, but before we get into this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Check out the comment of the day pump down below. If you guys want a chance for that, just comment on this video, just maybe a little something, and you might get mentioned on here. So today we are fishing the St. John River, and right behind us we have the Eel River, but we are going to be mainly fishing this main area over here, which is Meductic. And Meductic is known for some muskie. Each year I see more and more people every year catching them and targeting them, and it's starting to become really big here. But today we're going to be going out with one of the most experienced guides on the water. Thanks to Steven Johnson for actually paying for this trip. It was awesome of you to do such a thing, and it wouldn't have been able to do it without you or our awesome guide Marlon Prince, which we'll be going into meet in a second. So stay tuned, wait for some big muskie hopefully, and we'll take it from there. Peace.
Something's on there. Something's on there, man. Something's on that line, dude.
Oh yeah.
There's a fish on that line. There's a fish on that line.
There is. There's a musky on there. Holy shit. Real.
I told you.
Okay, tighten that up.
I want credit on the spot.
Wow.
I told you, buddy. We're into one early, babe.
When I showed you earlier, we turned the clicker off.
Fish on! Throw it in like it owes your money. Come on.
Feels like a good one too. I'm gonna unhook you here, so you
don't panic when you do the boat. Just take it easy, keep forward.
Yeah.
Good, man. Oh, you're a beast!
Oh.
That's it. That's why you lift all those weights.
Oh.
just keep it tight. Just keep reeling. Try not to do that pull. Yeah.
Okay.
You got him, brother.
All you. Just constant doing that.
Enjoy it, man. Enjoy it.
Oh yeah.
Some good head shakes on him. Keep reeling. There he comes. This one. Nope. Not ready.
No pressure.
It's all right. We're gonna have to head first. We got it.
Yeah. Hey, let's go.
Good start, buddy. Holy shit, baby. It might go for it. Didn't take long, eh?
No.
Awesome, brother. Okay.
I thought it was a 10,000 cast.
I was like, oh, it's because we didn't have the clicker on. I thought it was gonna be a bass.
I'm sitting there watching the line.
Yeah. And then you're just gonna support his belly. Put your hand under like that, and that makes for a real nice photo.
Okay. How do I do? So I go in the gill.
So I'll show you. Yeah, you go in right under that plate.
So
Right in there. Yeah. If you even want to put your hand over mine, that's okay.
Yeah.
Easy.
My first time doing it. So.
Yeah, it's all right. So slide your hand in there, put your thumb, touch your index finger with your thumb and squeeze.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Support his belly when you bring him up. That's it, brother.
Yeah, buddy. Keep bringing him up. Smile.
There we go.
Kick that tail out to me a little bit. Awesome. Okay, let's get him down.
You want to take him in from there?
Yeah, sure. So we'll just go that. We got him pinched. It looks like he's a little longer right there. You've got, 37.
37.
Is that what you cast? 37?
Woo! That right there.
We can break that today. All right.
Let's go.
This is the best part, man.
The release. You need
You see him? He's got lots of kick. Bye-bye, girl.
That's right. There's a beast.
Good start, boys.
go.
Well, then I think back, I was like, well, if you just get you one today. No. It's gotta be great with these things and they're gonna give you a good day. So, want me to tighten?
Let's go. Whoa! Let's go. That's what we came here for.
Let's go, baby!
That's why we do this in the rain.
I'll unclip you there so you're free. You can go anywhere you need to.
We got the whole pro staff team.
Whew.
Get that out of there. Good fish.
I think so.
Yeah? Just keep reeling. Never stop reeling.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh. Let's go. Woo.
Come on, David.
Let's go.
Oh boy, that's why we stay out.
Let's go.
Fist bump.
Oh, nice fish, buddy.
Here we
Nice
go.
fish.
That's a champ.
Back hooks again.
Ooh.
Gorgeous, gorgeous fish. Easy.
Oh.
Full life. That is a fatty, dude. Okay. So again, you're getting in.
Oh.
Yeah. Do you have a hand you prefer to use?
My right.
Go in with the right. Let me see. There you go. So then just come in right there. There you go. Got them nice and tight.
Yep.
You got them?
Yeah. Oh.
Back a bit. You want to get in there with him?
Oh,
yeah, there you go. Awesome, we got some good shots there. Okay, let's get him down.
You take them for the measurements there.
Come here, buddy. Boat. We got. Holy, he's only. No way.
No way he's less?
Yeah. 35.
35?
That's crazy.
35. He's fatter though.
Yeah, way fatter.
Get him.
Oh, he wants to go. I'm gonna let him go.
Oh, there he goes.
Look at him go.
Isn't that cool? Watch this from away.
That's the
Oh.
It is. It's the best part. Wow, I thought for sure you upsized, but
I definitely thought he fought harder too.
yeah, he was fatty. Oh,
Let's go.
you did it!
Woo!
All right.
After a long day of musky fishing, I really wanted to go catch myself a big bass. That's exactly what we're gonna go do. Going. Woo! Woo! That's how we do it.
I thought I was getting a rod in the forehead, bro.
That's how we do it here, boys. Ripping lips. Oh, it's a big one. Woo! Let's go.
Need the musky net.
I'm gonna lip him.
Oh, he's a big
Woo!
nice bass, buddy.
You gotta lip him? What's the test on that? What you're lifting?
Oh,
What's on that rod? Can't remember.
got him.
Thanks, buddy.
There we go.
Is that a
Woo! Probably.
Yeah, there you go. I love it. All right, mission accomplished. I get a picture of you there, boys. Get a picture of both of you.
That's on that short shed I got you.
Yeah, man. I told you that thing's sick. Here.
Woo!
Try it. There you go. Get a couple there. You move your arm slightly. No, his arm. He was just in the pick. Keep the culvert out. Well, it just looks nice. It's a nice background. Awesome, dude. Give me one vertical. They don't. That's all good.
Like this?
Yeah, you're good. Wicked.
That's probably over 2 pounds, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Go that way. Go over that way. Take your picture.
That's easy. 2.5, maybe 3. That's awesome, dude. Right on.
Whoa.
Hold it out.
You're not lying when you said he knows how to hook set. Eh?
Hey, yeah, it's not. He nearly smacked her right in the forehead.
Right in that tunnel. I threw it right down in that tunnel.
Perfect.
And then just see him another time, I guess.
Look at you. You're
There we go. Okay, I'll only get one more cast. Look at that tunnel.
Count, buddy. We'll do that hump in the middle. It's a big fish spot. We'll run through there.
Yeah.
A lap or two. It's up to you guys. I mean, it sounds like you guys want to get going.
Oh. You feel him take it there for
That's
a second.
life.
Oh.
Ooh. Is he
I did
on?
not mean that.
That's okay. Shit happens. That's not you.
You gotta hand reel it in. Put the reel down.
Is there a fish on it?
I don't think so. I'm sorry.
No, don't be, man. That's not you. That's something happened to that rod prior that died. There, bro.
Hold it in my hand.
Don't worry at all, man.
Yeah, it's not on anymore. There's nothing on it.
Well, I guess we're not bass fishing anymore.
You get your rod.
Okay.
It was probably a muskie. That's
Yeah.
a fish story for you. So big it broke your rod. Well, we came in, we got a PB in what, 10 minutes?
PB and 10
That was a successful bass mission, I'd say.
Yeah, sorry about the
Don't
rod.
worry about it, man, honestly. That's not you, that's not that broke that rod. That's, you know what I mean? That rod's been within the boat for years.
It's been here for years and you broke it.
Shut up.
That's what he's just trying to tell you.
Well, guys, we had a awesome day with Marlon Prince, and I can't thank Steven Johnson and Marlon Prince enough for this. We had an amazing day, and Marlon, I'm sorry about your rod. I feel pretty bad about that personally. It was my fault. Anyways, we're not gonna focus on the bad here. We're gonna focus on the great. We caught 2 St. John fatty muskie and a PB smallmouth that is maybe reaching 3 pounds, if you like to say that. Some of you guys may disagree. I think we can all agree it was minimum 2.5 pounds. It definitely beat my PB of 2 pounds. It is truly a learning experience going out with a guide. If you can even just do this once, I'm telling you guys will learn way more than you have ever maybe even learned, especially if you're an unexperienced angler in the muskie field like I am. I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to muskie. All I know is I watch a couple YouTube videos and think I know how to fish, but I don't. An awesome day. Thanks to Marlon Prince. Go check him out, and see you guys next time. Peace out. Fish bump. Bye. See you next time.